I remember, I think the first ever I attended when I was 1.5 years old in Marathika, Nepal, when Guru Rinpoche encountered Menderavas cave. It was for my hair cutting ceremony. I remember that time, the weather, the people, the voices, the temperature. I also felt a sense where something to do with people, something to do with gatherings and groups is happening. A lot of chanting was happening. And I was sitting beside my root guru, Khushi Rinpoche, that time. He was telling me about how the weather is very cold, that I better put on the cloak I was given. And I remember later on being a bit tired. So then I think I was resting on my mother's lap for some minutes. After that, I remember that the ceremony was finishing. And I also remember the smell of that cave. It gave out a kind of a mixture of Indian incense with butter, cow butter, butter lamb smell, and the bat dropping smells. That I remember very clearly. These are my first recollections of the first time I ever attended a prayer and puja. The pujas they were doing in Bali, first of all, consisting of Ushinsha Vijaya, Namjama, treasure revelation of Njan Chinsa Wangpo, Makandro Kurukule practice, also Chujulingba and Njan Chinsa Wangpo, and also the many of the Naga Puja, also from Chojulingba and Njan Chinsa Wangpo, connected and done. Also Chimi Pamanhingtik, the white Tara with our Lokiteshwara, also practice sadhana of Njan Chinsa Wangpo. There's one short Guru Yoga practice. It's a treasure revelation of Tinggu Chinsa Rinpoche's treasure revelation based on Khandro Ishitswaja's Guru Yoga practice. And then we have also Bhajar Kilaya from Njan Chinsa Wangpo, also Bhajar Kilaya from Choju Lingpa, and also a Bhajar Yogini practice from the Naropa lineage, but it's the sadhana composed by Njan Chinsa Wangpo. So it looks like many pujas, but we were able to complete everything because we have quite a long day, starting from the 27th of December, ending on the 5th of January, 2026. I feel like those dates, it's on the holiday and it's end of the year, more cooling, not too hot, and also it's a rainy season. I always feel like something good about when water is connected. Yeah. It's like water is substance, water is life, water is rebirth, water is nourishment. Yeah. Water is the thing, mainstream element that keeps everything alive and moving. It is outdoor. There are small fixed, permanent, small little huts where we would conducting the puja, where there is a sun roof and everything. But the main stupa is open. We will keep the stupa open so that it's not hindered by anything else, but we will keep a huge proper tent for everyone and anyone to come and stay. Yeah, at least I think the place can uphold at least few hundred people easily. They say 1 to 2,000 people, but we are expecting maybe 100 people. Yes. And I'm also trying to invite traditional musicians and singers around the world. Yes. Nothing in particular, just that whatever happens, I'm willing to accept the reality. and I have no expectation. My only inspiration is, may everyone feel that they are a part of it. May everyone feel content. May everyone recognize the inner quality of impermanence, wisdom, and compassion. That's all what I want. That's all what I feel. And that's what I will encourage for also. And I'm equally putting all my effort in this organization, organizing the puja and logistics and so forth, with a group of trusted friends of mine from Singapore, Sangha member of Rangjung Ishi Odiyana, mainly disciples from my father, and some of my own friends from Indonesia and also from Australia. Yeah. Preparation is going well. Fundraising, it's slow. Honestly speaking, it's very slow, but I think slow is also okay. Slow and steady, I always like to say. Yeah. But I am pushing for things to work a bit faster so that we can send the funds to Indonesia for the payment of the pre-preparations. So the villagers are very kind. They're very open people, and they're like, if you need help, we'll come. But they don't bother too much. And we are very engaged with the locals over there, very much. Without the locals' help, I think it's impossible for this to happen.